Welcome to the future of income generation. If you've ever wondered how to harness the power of AI to boost your earnings, you're in the right place. Today, I am diving into NeonIncome.AI, a platform designed to help you start earning real income using artificial intelligence, even if you're a complete beginner. Imagine building multiple income streams while AI handles the heavy lifting for you. That is the promise of NeonIncome.AI. First, let's get your account set up. Visit NeonIncome.AI, click on Sign Up, enter your basic details, verify your email, and you are ready to unlock the possibilities. Now let's talk about how you actually make money inside NeonIncome.AI. NeonIncome.AI connects you with a range of powerful AI income tools: automated content creation, AI-powered trading bots, digital product generators, and upcoming innovations dropping monthly. Here are a few pro tips to maximize your earnings. Start with one income stream and master it. Use NeonIncome.AI's built-in tutorials. Stay curious and adapt to new AI trends fast. And here's what not to do. Do not jump into 10 projects at once. Do not ignore learning. The tech is powerful, but you are the driver. NeonIncome.AI is not just another side hustle. It is your chance to be ahead of the wave while others are still wondering if AI is real. You are early, you are ready. Now let's build. Sign up today at NeonIncome.AI and do not forget to grab your free gift, the Reflection Journal, to track your journey, your wins, and your future. Subscribe, like, share. We rise together.